Why is New York the financial capital of the world? With being financial capital of the world there comes a great responsibility. However, financial capital refers to the money that helps to pay in the purchase of plants, equipment and other items that is needed to build products and offer different services. Financial responsibility is the most common way of handling cash and different resources in a way that is viewed as useful and greatest advantage of individual or family. It is the cash used to buy required capital products. Origin of financial capital can be assembled into debt and value. Debt incorporates bank credits and corporate securities. It should be taken care of with interest. The advantage of debt is that investor does not have an ownership position in the business. The world financial capital is a spot situated intentionally in a climate with lawful stock trade and financial proofs. It is loaded with both insurance agencies and trading organizations. In addition, the spot is overflowed with the most exceptional business systems, the top-tier foundation, and the most recent strategy. Their general set of laws is completely raised by their political plan. It also provides huge opportunities for business owners because of its location. New York is known as the financial capital of the world. The world's well-known Wall Street is situated in New York City. New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, NASDAQ, American Stock Exchange, BATS Global Markets are the primary stock trades situated in New York. New York City is the biggest state in the U.S. by population with a population of 8.6 million. It is listed as the financial capital by the Global Financial Centers Index. This is due to the association of the city with the financial world. It is considered as a home to large numbers of the world's greatest banks, credit score organizations, associations, insurance agencies, multifaceted investments, FICO assessment offices, and many more. There are many factors that contribute towards making New York the financial capital of the world. The most important quality that plays an excellent role is its geographical location. The city is the center point of European shippers and its ports have met to be more reasonable than those in different urban areas. The Hudson River situated in the city is acceptable and has a low freezing state than different waterways in the country. The first port for the entrance of immigrants was built in New York. This made the city a suitable place for them to settle. The port brought a lot of trade-minded people and commerce grew out of this. Banks were then found to help the traders finance their trips and consignments. Stock markets then were founded later for traders to not just trade physical goods, but whole companies. Economic and cultural factors also play a major role as New York Stock Exchange is situated on Wall Street, making the city the long-lasting central command of the United Nations, which further expanded its impact and acknowledgement. Manhattan is additionally one of the world's hubs for money, culture, and banking. Moreover, it has one of the expansive corporations in the country and in the world which makes money every day. In view of cultural aspect, population in the city has expanded its social blast. 40% of the people are outsiders with more than 200 spoken languages. This makes it an ideal fit for the central command of the United Nations. The advancement of call loan has financed the city's stock market. The loan is utilized for exchanging the security market and banks likewise get revenue. This advancement turns into a shared benefit for both the banks and the financial exchange. The financial services industry is the largest contributor to New York City's economic output or gross city product (GCP). It generates round about 20% of the CGP, which is roughly double the contribution of the next largest industries, professional, scientific, and technical services and real estate combined, of which generate 10% of the gross city product. New York City gives its critical financial administrations industry with some long burden advantages like area, admittance to clients and enterprises, minimum amount of ability and specialist organizations, and great quality of life. Financial services industry provides extraordinary benefits to the five-county economy and New York's tax base. New York is the U.S. center point of the biggest internal and foreign banking activities, which put billions yearly in nearby private business. The abnormal effect of the financial administrations industry is additionally huge. The flow of information and the availability of attractive business services helped New York in becoming a finance center. New York without doubt has utilized its unique economic, financial and geographical factor to attain the world financial capital. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and like this video, and thanks from our team.